Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to never miss any updates. When economy crashes, gold shines. Hey everyone, this is Anuj Vohra, and in this video we are going to discuss whether you should invest in gold or not. So without any further ado, let's get started. This video is part 2 of gold investing. Earlier I have talked about investing in gold about 1.5 years ago. So feel free to watch that video where I have discussed why most people purchase physical gold rather than financial gold, and why if you purchase financial gold it would be beneficial for you in the long run and in the shorter run also. So today we will be talking about investing in gold fund. It is being observed that when economy struggles, gold gives massive amount of return, and that's what we have seen in the last 3 years. Our economy and all over the world's economy was not growing well, and it is continuously slowing down, and hence the price of gold has been increasing very fast. So now let's understand and discuss why you should be investing in gold right now, and why this is the best time to invest in gold if you are planning to invest for 2 to 3 years. Now this is a snapshot of SBI Gold Fund where you can invest and you can get massive amount of returns. Now as we can see, the 6 months return is 23.37%. 1 year return is 42.27%. 2 year return is 47.59%. So as we can see, when the whole world's economy is not performing well, and at the same time gold price increases. Why? Because the gold indicates the stability of particular country. It is being observed that the more gold the country has, the more stable the country is. Because of the COVID-19 outbreak, all the economies are not performing well, and due to lockdown there would be a massive impact in the economy and the GDP as well. So if you are planning to invest for 2 to 3 years in a safe option, then I would recommend you to go with gold rather than investing in equity. Why? Because equity contains a certain amount of risk as well, and on the other hand, if I talk about gold, especially about gold fund, it is very easy to redeem because you will not get that much negative return, and it is very stable, and it is being observed through in the history that when the economy collapse, gold price increases. So that is why the chances of increasing in gold is very high. So you should definitely check out a gold fund, or you can also go with gold ETF. If you want to invest, I will put a link in the description below. You can start investing very fast. And if you want to watch my previous video, I will also put a link in the description below. So thank you so much for watching this small video. Do share with your friends and let them know that why they should be investing in gold this way rather than investing in the physical gold. So I hope you like this video, and I will see you in the next one.